welcome to Lighthouse Live at Home Edition. Today's news for tomorrow's leaders. I'm Will, your host for today. Today is Wednesday, April 22nd, Earth Day. I'm coming to you from my backyard. This is Henry, my co-host for today. Now please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
So, Henry, how are you today?
Great.
Good. Since today is Earth Day, let's talk about plants. So, Henry, what are these two plants called right here?
Basil plants, and that's a rosemary.
That's a rosemary plant. Good. So, Henry, can you tell us a little bit about how we planted these?
First we got that one for my dad's birthday, and then my dad just bought this at the store, and my mom got this for my dad's birthday too. See, those are all stick in it. It's sticking out.
Yeah, thank you, Henry. Let's try some basil.
Let's try some basil.
That's good. Good basil plant. Tomorrow is Patriotic Day, so show us your red, white, and blue by posting pictures to our Facebook page. Later on in the show, we will talk about how to make creations out of recycled objects. But first, let's head on over to Dr. Bradley and Miss Choate with our daily update.
Good morning, everybody, and happy Wednesday to you. Good morning, Miss Choate.
Good morning. How are you?
How are you doing? I'm doing great. How are you doing?
I'm doing great too.
That's awesome. Well, today is Wednesday, and it's Earth Day. So, boys and girls, how are you taking care of the Earth? That's a good question to think about today. But coming up later in the show, we have Will and his brother Henry. They're showing us how in arts and crafts that they're making some things out of recycled materials. They're going to make a lantern using a recycled 2-liter bottle. What do you think about that, Miss Choate?
Oh, that's really cool. I can't wait
Yeah.
to see that. All right, and tomorrow is Patriotic Day, so we want to see you wearing your red, white, and blue, and maybe you can do some patriotic crafts too, or artwork, and you can upload that, and we can share it on our Facebook page.
Or maybe just wearing red, white, and blue, doing your schoolwork at the table. That's okay.
Great idea too.
That's right. You can send pictures of that in as well, boys and girls. And you know what, Mrs. Choate? Yesterday was Tell Us a Joke Day.
Mhm.
And we got a riddle, and it's from Millie and Mrs. Ramirez's first grade class. You want to hear it?
I do. Let's hear it, Millie.
Okay, Millie, tell us your joke.
Let's go.
What's an eggs least favorite day? Friday.
Oh, Millie, that was awesome. You know, I love jokes about food. Didn't you like that, Mrs. Choate?
Great job, Millie.
That was a great joke. All right, well, tomorrow, Patriotic Day. Do we have any other announcements for our friends out there in TV land, Mrs. Choate?
I do not have any more announcements today.
All right, boys and girls. Well, we are so proud of you. I know you're doing wonderful out there, and we can't wait to see you tomorrow morning. So back to the announcers.
Bye.
Thank you, Miss Choate. Whoa, Henry, what do you have over there?
It's a house made out of recycled materials. I made it out of construction paper in my milk jug.
Nice. What do you have in there?
My Funko Pop superheroes.
Whoa, that's cool. How does that help the environment?
By recycling.
By recycling materials? Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you, Henry. So today I will show you how to make a lantern out of recycled materials. So what you'll need is scissors, tissue paper, glue, a 2-liter bottle, and a paintbrush. You'll also need your mom or dad to help you with a knife to cut a little hole in the bottle. Mom, can you please help me? Thank you. So first, you will need your scissors to cut carefully around the perimeter of the bottle. Next, you will need tissue paper. But first, you will need to dip your paintbrush into glue, just a little, and you'll need to paint the glue around the bottle. Once it's in, then you'll need to either cut or just rip little pieces of tissue paper off. You don't want to make it too big, because if it's too big, the finishing product with the candle will not shine. So you use a variety colors of tissue paper.
It takes a long time to do this.
Yeah. So, if you're asking, how does this help the environment? Well, one thing how this helps the environment is it reuses recycled materials, and that's good for the environment. But another thing is it allows you to use light without using too much light pollution. So after you've done that, it'll look like this. You'll see it'll have tissue paper all around the bottle. It's okay if it doesn't have it on the bottom, but after, you will punch holes on the side of it, kind of like on the top, so like right here. And then another one across from it, right out here. Next, you will need a pipe cleaner or yarn or whatever works to stick through the hole. Stick it through. And you'll tie a knot. Isn't this cool, Henry?
Yeah. It's gonna be both. It's gonna be both of us.
Yeah.
Because I kind of need one.
After you tie the knot, it'll look like this. The last step is to put a candle like this in the bottle. Also, get one of your parents to help you to light it with. Okay, Mom, may you please light my lantern? Very careful. Thank you. Good job. Whoa, it's so cool. That's all for today's news. Stay tuned for the Power Pledge. Have a wacky Wednesday and a wonderful Earth Day. Bye.
Bye.
I'm a power relic, Allen uniform.
to follow route life rules and always do my best. I'll be proactive, choose and take responsibility. I'll show respect to others and their property. I'll set goals, but first things first and do what I'm assigned. My attitude will be win-win with safety rules in mind. I'll listen so I'll understand and follow all directions. I'll be responsible for my behavior and corrections. With teamwork I will soar with more and others synergize. I'll renew and sharpen up with power as my presence.